Hello everyone. I welcome you all to chapter 6, Daily Profiles. What if I tell you there is a pattern that is happening every single day in the market non-stop? With this knowledge, we can know exactly which kind of expansion we are going to have for the day. Are we going to have a continuation in the New York kill zone or a reversal? Are we going to have a classic buy day, a classic sell day, or a New York open reversal or continuation? Right? So in this chapter, I'm going to teach to you exactly how to identify if we are going to have a continuation or a reversal in New York Open. So firstly, what is a daily profile? Alright, so this daily profile is also called daily templates. Maybe you have heard from other people already about this term called daily templates. It is how price expands starting from the 12 a.m. midnight open until the close of the day. Price only do one of 4 templates or daily profiles every single day. In these templates already, you have a very big advantage to the market and is already ahead of almost 80 to 90% of traders. Alright, so these are the patterns that the price will lay out at the end of the day. Right? So for example, right here, we have our 12 a.m. midnight open. For example, we are bullish. We are creating the low of the day at the London kill zone, right? And then the price started shifting, going higher. At this time, we can know exactly if the price is going to reverse or continue higher. If it's going to retrace a bit and then continue higher or completely reverse to the opposite side of the market. I will teach you exactly how to identify the continuation or the reversal of the market. Alright, so firstly, this is very important. You need to set your time zone into the New York local time. It's UTC -4, New York local time. Alright, so our start of the day is always at the 12 a.m. midnight open. This is very important. Once again, I want you to remember you have to set your time zone into the New York local time. You just go into the bottom right of your trading view and then choose the New York local time, UTC -4. So this is an example of price action for the day. Everything you see right here is in 15-minute chart. Every single candle is on the 15-minute time frame. If you look at this is the daily open of every single day that we have here, right? So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 trading days. If you look at the bottom, we have the dates right here, 16, 17, 18. This right here is Friday, so we have here the Monday, 21. Alright? So, every single open of the day starts at the 12 a.m. midnight open. So right here, we have 16. This is the 12 a.m. midnight open for the day. We opened right here. And then the price started going higher. If you look at it very carefully, around this time, this is our London kill zone. It's from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. If you look carefully, the price created the high of the day at the London kill zone. So how did that happen? If you look carefully to the left, we took out a buy-side liquidity right here. Buy-side liquidity taken, and then price shifted lower. We have here a retracement higher. If you look at the lower time frame, you can easily spot an entry position, and then you can enter shorts right here, and you can target the nearest sell side liquidity right here. So as you can see, price created the high of the day at the London kill zone and then retraced lower. Around in this area is our New York kill zone. In Forex, it's from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. In indices, it's from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Around this time in the New York kill zone, we can clearly see a consolidation. We can clearly see price creating equal highs right here. If you look closely, price went up higher, taking out these equal highs right here, and then continued lower. This wick right here is what we call the Judas swing. This is the manipulation to lure traders into the wrong side of the market. Right here, we have equal highs. There's a lot of stop losses right here. There's also a lot of breakout traders right here entering long positions to go higher. So the price went higher, taking out all those traders right here, and then it went lower, creating the low of the day around the noon time. If you look closely, we created the high of the day at the London kill zone, right after taking out that buy-side liquidity right here, and then the price went lower. At New York kill zone, the same thing happened. We have here equal highs right here. The price went up and took out those equal highs right there and then continued lower. We have here the high of the day, and at New York kill zone, we have a continuation lower. At London, we went up and then shifted lower. At New York kill zone, we went up once again and then shifted lower. So we have here high of the day at the London kill zone and continuation at the New York kill zone. And then we ended the day right here. Then we have another day open. This day is at 17. Right here is the 12 a.m. midnight open. Price went up higher once again, taking out this buy-side liquidity right here, and then the price shifted going lower. If you look at the lower time frame, you can easily see an entry position right here and then target these equal lows right here. We went lower around the New York kill zone in this area right here. Once again, in Forex, it's from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. In indices, it's from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. As we can see right here, price took out the sell side liquidity right here. This is more clean in the lower time frame. And then the price shifted higher. If you look at the left side of the chart, I'm pretty sure price has reacted in a higher time frame PDR rate. It might have been a fair value gap or an order block. price reacted into that area, shifted higher. We have here a fair value gap overlapping into this breaker block right here. This is a very good entry already. An enter right here, and then the price has now shifted higher, and then it has consolidated in the afternoon session. So if you look closely, this day is very similar to this day right here. We have created the high of the day at the London kill zone, high of the day at the London kill zone, price went lower, price went lower. But the only difference at the New York kill zone right here, we have a continuation lower. But in this case right here, we have a reversal at the New York kill zone. This one right here is continuation, and this one is a reversal. How can we anticipate a price continuation and a price reversal? But if you look closely already, you can see the answer right away. Right here, in this price action, we took out an internal liquidity right here, an equal highs. In this case right here, we took out an external liquidity, and then the price has shifted higher, closing right here for the day. So now let's go on into this day right here. This is 18. We opened once again at 12 a.m. midnight open. Price opened right here, went lower, taking out this sell side liquidity right here, at the same time reacting into a fair value gap right here, creating the low of the day initially, right? Creating the low of the day initially, since this price action right here has not been printed yet. The price shifted higher. If you go on into the lower time frame, you will see an entry position right here, taking out this buy side liquidity right here. So this is our London kill zone, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Now it has shifted higher. Around in this price action, this is our New York kill zone. Forex 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. indices 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. As we can see right here, price went up higher. We took out an equal highs right here. Equal highs, buy side liquidity taken. We took out an external liquidity, and then the price has shifted lower, creating the low of the day right here around the PM session, and then closed for the day. Look carefully. This price action is very similar to this price action right here. This is a bearish reversal, and this is a bullish reversal. In here, we created the high of the day initially. In here, we created the low of the day initially. Price reversed higher after reaching a higher time frame liquidity or PDRA. The same with right here. The price reversed after taking out a higher time frame liquidity right here, and at the same time respecting this order block right here. We took out these equal lows, and then the price has went lower. We closed for the day, and now once again, this is a new day open. 12 a.m. midnight open. Price went lower, initially creating the low of the day. Since we haven't seen this price action right here, we took out this sell side liquidity, and then price shifted higher. And once again, we have here a reversal. It's around New York kill zone once again. Forex 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Indices 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you look closely, we have here equal highs. Equal highs taken, and then the price has shifted lower. If you go at the lower time frame in this area, you will see an entry position. You will see a fair value gap. You can enter into that fair value gap and then target the nearest sell side liquidity right here. The price created the low of the day at around PM session and then consolidated and then closed for the day. This one right here, this daily template right here is the same to this daily template right here. We created initially the low of the day at the London kill zone, low of the day at the London kill zone. Price went up, taking out buy-side liquidities, going up, taking out buy-side liquidities, reverse lower, reverse lower. Yes, this right here happens every single day. This is what we call the daily template. This is the New York Open reversal, New York Open reversal, New York Open reversal, and this one right here is the classic sell day. As we can see right here, we opened at 12 a.m. midnight open. Price went higher, creating the high of the day after taking out this buy-side liquidity right here. And then price shifted, creating equal highs right here, buy-side liquidity. Price retraced higher, taking out this buy-side liquidity right here. As we can see, it is this price action right here, and then it has shifted lower, creating the low of the day and then closing near the low of the day. This right here is the New York Open reversal. Initially, we created the high of the day at the London kill zone. Price went lower until we reached a higher time frame PD array or took out a liquidity, and then it has shifted higher, taking out buy-side liquidities right now. This is this price action right here. We reach a higher time frame liquidity or PD arrays, and then the price has reversed higher. This one right here is the bearish reversal of this template right here. These two templates are just the same. It's just different price action. This is for bullish reversal and this is for bearish reversal. We created the low of the day initially at the London kill zone. Price went higher, reaching out a higher time frame liquidity or PD array. In this example, we have equal highs right here and then price retraced lower. And then lastly, for this day, we created initially the low of the day at the London kill zone. Price went higher, taking out this buy-side liquidity right here and then reversed lower. Look at these two templates right here. These two separate days right here. They are identical. They have the same template. The New York Open reversal created the low of the day at London kill zone and then reversal at the New York Open. Low of the day, low of the day. Equal highs taken, equal highs taken. Reversal, reversal. Alright, so here I introduce you to the 4 daily profiles. These 4 daily profiles right here happens every single day of the week. It can be a classic sell day, a classic buy day. It can be a New York Open reversal. or it can be the other templates. So first, this is the very first template right here, the classic day. This daily template, this daily profile is the most common daily profile out there. This template right here happens a lot of times in a single week. It's when price created the high of the day at the London kill zone and then continuation at the New York kill zone. If bullish, it's when we created the low of the day at the London kill zone and then continuation at the New York kill zone. This is the most common daily template out there. Don't worry, I will teach you every single one of this. Next one right here is the New York Open reversal. This is the daily template I have introduced to you a few minutes ago. This is the classic day, but for this time, since we have bearish price action, we have here classic sell day. Right here we have the New York Open reversal. New York Open reversal. New York Open reversal. Alright? And then the third one is we have range to New York Open and London close rally. This template right here happens when we have a high impact news around the New York Open, around 9:30 to 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Right? Most of the times when we have high impact news around the New York Open, price consolidates and goes sideways around the London kill zone, approaching the New York Open. And then the fourth one, we have the London sweep to seek and destroy. This template right here mostly happens when we have a high impact news in the afternoon, when we have FOMC and NFP news. I am going to make things simple as possible. These two templates right here are very ugly days. I don't personally trade these two daily templates right here because they are ugly, right? We are only focusing on high probability setups. These are the higher probability setups. Classic day and New York Open reversal. Continuation at New York kill zone or reversal at the New York Open. Alright? These two right here are just consolidation. These price action are mostly on sideways. So we are not going to trade these two templates right here. I am only going to teach you the high probability setups, which is these two right here. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. I hope you are having a lot of clicking moments and light bulb moments because this is a very, very high quality knowledge that not a lot of traders out there are teaching. Right? With this knowledge, you can know exactly when the price is going to continue or reverse exactly inside a kill zone. Alright, so I hope you learned a lot from this video. I will see you on the next one. I'm wishing you good luck and good trades.